That's the first one off my list. The next thing on my list is to customize the store and make it appealing to our customers. Now, there are 6 banners on here to choose from, so let's go through them and find out what suits our store best. The first one has a lot of different sporting items, which may seem good, but if we don't end up selling those products, it could confuse our customers, so we'll skip that one. Then there's this one with just a woman on her own. While it's a nice design, it doesn't really represent our entire audience, and we want our store to appeal to both men and women. So using this logic, the bottom right one also feels, well, a bit too female only, so we'll pass on that. So out of these remaining 3, I think the bottom left one works great, and the middle right one pops really nicely with the sunset, which could help grab attention and create a positive first impression. Remember, the banners are the first thing our customers will see when they land on our store, so it's important they reflect what we're about and what we're offering. If you don't feel like any of these work for you, then don't worry, as you can always change them later on. Now that we've chosen our banners, let's hit continue and move on to the next step. To let the AI build our store, we need to set up a free Shopify account. So that's the next thing on my list. The first thing I'm going to do is click on Access Shopify, which opens up in a new tab. Now I'm going to type in my email address and then hit Start Free Trial. Then I just need to pick a password and click Create Shopify Account. Now, as you can see, Shopify is now asking us a few setup questions, but since AI is going to handle most of the work for us, we can just select, I don't want help setting up, to save us time. Now it's asking us to choose a plan for when the free trial ends. The basic plan looks good enough for what we're building, as it's designed for solo entrepreneurs, and it's also the most popular option. So I'm just going to go ahead and select that one. Then I'll quickly add in my payment details so we're all ready when the trial ends, but don't worry right now because it's completely free, and after the trial it's just £1 or $1 per month for the first 3 months. As we're not paying anything right now, this doesn't count towards our $1 budget. I know we'll probably have to pay it before we get some sales in, but technically I haven't paid it yet, so I think you can let me off with this one. Once that's all set up, Shopify takes us to this dashboard for our new store where we can manage everything. Now, it does look pretty confusing, but that's fine, as we won't have too much to do in here ourselves because soon the AI will be taking control. That sounded pretty scary. I hope this AI stuff doesn't lead us into a Terminator situation. Now we need to install the Build Your Store app. This might seem like it's getting a bit confusing, but after this, it gets a whole lot easier. So I'm going to click Access Shopify again, which opens another tab. On this page, I'm going to click the Install button to add the app to our Shopify account. With this done, I can click Create My Custom Store. Now we just need to give the AI a bit of time to work its magic and build the store website for us in the background. We'll check out the results later to see what it's created, but for now, let's keep things moving and jump on to the next step.